If you're a fan of red velvet cakes like me, you're in for a treat. These mouth-watering red velvet cookies. To a bowl, sieve in 1 2/3 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 cups of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Sift to remove any lumps, making it lighter and more airy. Mix them together to make sure they are all well combined. Set that aside and let's prepare the wet ingredients. To a bowl, add 1/2 cup of softened butter and 3/4 cups of light brown sugar. You can substitute that with 1/2 cup of brown sugar and a 1/4 cup of white granulated sugar. Whisk that until they are well combined. Use a spatula to scrape the edges to make sure everything is mixing in. If you prefer the measurements in metrics, check the description box for that. Add 1 large egg and mix it in. You can use a hand mixer, a whisk, or a stand mixer, whichever you have. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and keep whipping. To make the cookies more red, add some red food color. I don't like them too red, so that's enough for me. Adjust to produce your desired color. Keep whipping until it's light and fluffy. That looks perfect. To that, add 1/2 of the dry ingredients. Fold that in. Add the other 1/2 and keep folding until they are all well combined. To make the cookies a little fancier, I'll be adding 1/2 cup of white chocolate chip. Mix that in until they are evenly distributed. Let's mold the cookies. Scoop the batter with an ice cream scooper and place them on a casserole or any fridge-friendly bowl. Make sure they are not touching each other. Alternatively, you can pop it in the fridge as it is, then scoop later. Cover that with cling film and pop it in the fridge for at least 2 hours to chill. This recipe makes about 12 medium-sized cookies. Chilling will help develop the flavors and keep the cookies from spreading too much on the baking sheet. After 2 hours, they are perfectly chilled. Line the baking sheet with a baking paper and place the chilled cookie balls. Don't overcrowd the tray. Allow for some space for the cookies to spread while baking. We are going to bake these at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes or until the edges are set and they turn to a light golden brown color. If you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy recipes. Thank you for being here. They look so good and smell amazing. Let them sit on the tray for 10 minutes to set, then place them on a wire rack to cool completely. They are soft, chewy, and very delicious. Super easy to make when you're craving something sweet. Check out my chocolate chip cookie recipe. You will love them. See you there.